Hello everyone. In today's video, we will talk about Systeme.io affiliate program. It is an all-in-one marketing platform which allows you to manage various aspects of your online business in one place. Systeme.io has an outstanding affiliate program. They have given over $5 million in commissions to their affiliates. You get 60% lifetime commissions every time your affiliate link is used to purchase their subscription or course. One of the great things they do is they attach your referral link to every email they send to your referrals, making your earning potential to grow. One more thing, there are no conditions or rules to join. Anyone can join the affiliate program and earn. It's too easy to get started. You read the guide they provide to learn about the platform. Read the info page to learn how the affiliate program works. Check out the branding page to find all the assets and then access their affiliate swipe folder to find loads of promotional resources for all of their offers. They say you just have to make the referrals try their free plan and they will help you to convert your leads into customers, and you get a 60% lifetime recurring commission if one of your referrals buys the paid plan. For example, you can promote this ebook to pull your leads into their funnels and earn a 50% commission per sale, plus up to $300 in additional commissions on multiple offers. Here's another product or course which you can promote to earn the benefits mentioned. Their engaging content makes the leads to buy the courses or ebooks and their subscription. The link to the affiliate program is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.